Welcome to our channel, and today we're diving into a quick and effective guide on fixing Cullen Frost account syncing issues. Welcome to our channel. We understand how frustrating it can be when your Cullen Frost account doesn't sync properly. But don't worry, we're here to walk you through the process step by step to get your account back on track. First, the primary cause of syncing issues usually relates to connectivity problems or outdated app versions, so start by checking your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and strong network signal, because syncing depends heavily on your device's ability to communicate with Cullen Frost servers. Next, check for any app updates. Go to your device's app store, search for Cullen Frost, and if an update is available, tap Update. Installing the latest version often resolves bugs that hinder syncing. Now clear the app cache to refresh the stored temporary data that might be corrupted on Android devices. Go to Settings, Apps, Cullen Frost Storage, and then choose Clear Cache for iOS. Simply reinstalling the app can achieve this effect after clearing the cache and updating the app. Restart your device to refresh all running processes. This simple reboot can solve many underlying issues. Then double-check your account credentials are entered correctly. Go into the app settings and verify that your username and password match your official Cullen Frost account information. Incorrect credentials can block syncing completely. Also look for any sync settings within the app. Some accounts have toggles to turn syncing on or off. Ensure syncing is enabled. If problems persist, open the app and sign out of your account. Then close the app completely and reopen it before signing back. In this step, resets the session and can fix minor glitches. Additionally, check if there are any server outages affecting Cullen Frost by visiting online status pages or social media channels. Sometimes the issue is external, and waiting for the service to resume is all that's needed. If none of these steps work, as a last resort, backup your data within the app if possible, and then uninstall and reinstall the Cullen Frost app. This fresh installation clears out any corrupted files causing issues. Finally, after reinstalling, log in again and allow some time for your data to sync fully. A few minutes might be necessary depending on the volume of data. Once everything syncs smoothly, you're good to go. We hope this detailed guide helps you troubleshoot Cullen Frost account syncing quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching, and stay connected.